This liquid cooling manifold has an initial deformation of 0.3 mm. The intelligent system automatically detects the deformation condition of the liquid cooling manifold and analyzes the correction requirements. Based on the measurement data, the system calculates the optimal correction amount, pressing position, and force automatically. The straightening system performs precise correction according to the calculated parameters, reducing manual adjustment and improving consistency. This automatic process helps manufacturers improve production efficiency and achieve high-precision straightening for complex components. After the straightening process, the system automatically prepares for final accuracy inspection. After automatic straightening, the final accuracy reaches 0.10 mm.